Our next awardee is an outstanding and award-winning journalist and radio personality who has hosted television and radio programs focusing on news and public affairs. He is notably one of the lead radio anchors for the multi-awarded program Dos por Dos, currently airing on DZRH. Throughout his career, he has received several accolades, including the Public Attorney's Office in 2022, Outstanding Broadcaster Award. He was also recognized at the PMCPC Star Awards in 2012 as the Best Morning Show Host and by the People Management Association of the Philippines in 2011 as the Best Radio Program Host for Dos por Dos. Aside from his broadcasting career, he is also known as a radio, TV program host, traveler, adventurer, trail biker, and master rider. Ladies and gentlemen, our awardee for Outstanding Broadcaster, Mr. Jerry Baha, TV, radio anchor, and commentator.
This Lady Justice Statuette and Certificate of Appreciation are given to our awardee in deep appreciation for the invaluable support and contribution made to the success of the Public Attorney's Office and the advancement of the interests of its clientele, given on the occasion of the 5th National Convention of the Rank-and-File Employees of the Public Attorney's Office on October 9 to 11, 2023 at the Philippine International Convention Center, given this day of October in Pasay City, Philippines. Signed by Dr. Persido V. Rueda Acosta, DSD, Chief Public Attorney.
Hi. Magandang morning. Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat, lalong-lalo na sa mga bumubuo ng Public Attorney's Office. Sa katotohanan po ay mula yata nang maging tao kami ni Kung Batchero, namulatan na namin si Attorney Persida Acosta na. At ang laki na ng iniangat ng quality, ng kalidad ng paglilingkod sa bayan, public service, ng Public Attorney's Office. Kaya sa katotohanan, hindi kami dapat yung parangalan. Ang Public Attorney's Office, sa ilalim ng pangasiwa ni Attorney Persida Acosta, ang lahat ng mga tagapagtanggol ng bayan, at siyempre, ang mga rank and files employees ng Public Attorney's Office. Halos 1,000 pala tayo ngayon dito. Hindi po magagawa ng mga tagapagtanggol ng bayan ang pagtulong o totoong paglilingkod sa mga mahihirap kung wala po kayo. Kung wala ang rank and file employees. Kayo po ang nagsisilbing support group o support system ng ating mga tagapagtanggol para maisakatuparan nila yung tunay na paglilingkod sa bayan. Yung bang sa panahon ngayon, minsan nga napagkukwentuhan namin ni Kung Batchero, na ang mga mahihirap parang hindi naman takot ng gumawa ng krimen, kundi hindi na sila nag-aalala na sila'y maaapi kapag ang pagtitingnan o pag-uusapan administration of justice. Dahil nandyan ang Public Attorney's Office na handang magtanggol sa kanila, lalo na doon sa mga mahihirap at kababayan nating hindi naman talaga nakagawa ng anumang krimen. Kaya sa ating mga rank and file employees ng Public Attorney's Office, kay Attorney Persida Acosta, na napakataas na ng pagkilala po namin at masasabi ko na sa mga ahensya ng gobyerno, mga public officials, ay si Attorney Persida Acosta at ang Public Attorney's Office ang matutukoy nating tunay na ang puso ay sa paglilingkod sa bayan. Marami pong salamat, Public Attorney's Office, rank and file employees ng Public Attorney's Office. Salamat po.
Once again, our awardee for Outstanding Broadcaster, Mr. Jerry Baha, TV, radio, anchor, and commentator.